Welcome to Easy Drawing Classroom. Hello friends, I'm Anna Maria. It's nice to meet you. I hope you're doing well. Today we're going to draw jellyfish. Let's get started. Jellyfish are some of the most fascinating and ancient creatures in the ocean, existing for over 500 million years, long before dinosaurs roamed the earth. One of the most incredible things about jellyfish is that they're 95% water. They come in all shapes and sizes, from tiny ones just a few millimeters long to massive jellyfish, like the lion's mane jellyfish, which has tentacles longer than a blue whale. Jellyfish don't have brains, hearts, or lungs, but they can still function thanks to a simple nerve net that helps them detect light, vibrations, and changes in their environment. Many jellyfish species can glow in the dark, and some has the ability to reverse its life cycle and potentially live forever. With their unique biology and otherworldly beauty, jellyfish are among the most mesmerizing creatures in the ocean. Here we are, it's time to paint. J for jellyfish. What do you guys think? Our drawing is cute, isn't it? All done. J for jellyfish. 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 Thanks for watching. See you next video.